Today I visited Hoyop-Hoyopan Cave. This is a multi-level natural limestone cave in Albay province in the Philippines. The cave is named after the word Hoyop, meaning breeze, a reference to the cool and somewhat eerie wind that blows throughout here. The cave is estimated to be over 3,000 years old. Pottery dating back from 200 BC can be found here. There are so many bats here, and in some places a bit of a bad smell from their droppings, so bear that in mind. But don't let that put you off coming here because it's so worth it. This was the most narrow part of the cave where the tour took us. This is such an impressive place to visit, I highly recommend it. It's got so much history to it as well. It was even used as a hideout during the Second World War. Today you can visit here with a tour guide, which is worth going in a group like we did, which makes it very good value. This area is very protected. You should avoid touching the rock formations as they can break very easily, and even the oil from our hands can cause them to stop growing. When you exit this part of the cave on a clear day, you get a view of Mayon. You couldn't really ask for more, so give this place a visit.